In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Proton Mail using Chrome. Logging into Proton Mail and making adjustments to your account's identities can seem a bit complicated at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down into simple steps that you can easily follow along with. First, you'll want to open up your Chrome browser. This is the browser we're using for today's demonstration, so if you're following along at home, using Chrome will ensure everything looks the same. In the browser's address bar, type in Proton Mail's website URL and hit enter to load the page. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Proton Mail account by entering your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you have your phone or authentication app handy to complete the login process. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your Proton Mail interface. You should see an icon that resembles a gear. This is your settings icon. Click on it to open up the settings menu. This is your central hub where you can customize various options for your account. From here, navigate to the section labeled Identities and Aliases. This area is particularly useful if you manage multiple email identities or if you've set up aliases under your main email account. It might seem a bit technical, but think of it as the place where you manage how your email presents itself to others. Once you're in the Identities and Aliases section, you'll be presented with a list of identities associated with your account. Find the identity that you'd like to edit. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the right one if you have more than one in use. When you're certain, click on that identity to bring up the editing options. You'll notice there are fields for both display name and account name. Depending on what you're looking to change, you can modify either or both of these fields. The display name is how your name appears in the recipient's inbox, so make sure it reflects what you want people to see. Maybe you're updating your professional title or just want your full name displayed. Whatever the reason, now's the time to make it happen. After you've made the necessary changes, you'll want to save them. Look for a save button, usually located either at the bottom or the side of the screen. Clicking this will apply all of your edits. Once saved, these changes ensure that all future emails you send from this identity will reflect your updated display name. It's always a good idea to double check your emails after sending to ensure the changes took effect properly, putting your mind at ease. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully changed your display name in Proton Mail using Chrome. Thanks for tuning in.